Number 1, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Number 2, if you're going through hell, keep going. Number 3, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Number 4, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Number 5, good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. Number 6, if you can dream it, you can do it. Number 7, I don't believe you have to be better than everybody else. I believe you have to be better than you ever thought you could be. Number 8, do the difficult things while they are easy and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Well done is better than well said. Number 9, change your life today. Don't gamble on the future, act now, without delay. Number 10, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Number 11, with a new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Number 12, keep your eyes on the stars, and your feet on the ground. Number 13, either I will find a way, or I will make one. Number 14, don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. Number 15, failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Number 16, only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Number 17, there is only one corner of the universe you can be certain of improving, and that's your own self. Number 18, the most effective way to do it, is to do it. Number 19, what you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Number 20, when you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on.